Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Chicken Crispy. Take 300 grams flattened chicken. Add 1 egg. 2 pinches of red food color. Half teaspoon cumin powder. 1 teaspoon corn flour. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri Chilli Powder. Half teaspoon green chili sauce. 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Half teaspoon Schezwan Chutney. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1/4 teaspoon white pepper powder. It's totally optional. Half teaspoon garam masala. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. 2 tablespoons flour. Stir to mix well. Add 1 teaspoon oil. Salt to taste. Marinate for 1 hour. Now take 10 to 12 samosa sheets. Cut it into strips as shown. Add some cornflour on strips and mix well for sticking well on chicken. Wrap the chicken pieces. Press and cover it nicely. Deep fry till chicken gets cooked. After 10 to 12 minutes, our crispy chicken threads are ready to enjoy. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.